What's up, guys? Welcome to Molde, Norway. I am thoroughly jet lagged. After traveling all day today, we had to get up early, take a flight up here. We're about to go tour the Hyundai facility where they make the big trucks. Stay tuned for this one. Check this old girl out here. The old Moxie. Wow, that's an oldie but a goodie right here. I gotta tell you what, this is one of the most picturesque places I have ever seen. There's mountains everywhere. As we were flying in, we could still see snow. Some of them are still snow-capped. We flew over the ocean, valleys, fjords. It is just absolutely beautiful. And I want me an office here. What about down there on the corner, Josh? We'll get us a corner office with a window facing the mountain.
Yeah, that would work.
All right, everybody's inside getting signed in for the safety stuff. Then we'll begin the tour, but I had to show you guys this little robot out here cutting the grass. Check this little dude out. Oh, Husqvarna. Quiet little dude. Looks like he's got some battle scars there. Golly, would you just look at this place though, y'all? Oh, yeah, they left us. All right, we'll follow you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me?
Yeah, I know.
All right. All right, we just wrapped up our safety training, so me and the whole crew, along with everybody from National Equipment Dealers, get a tour of the behind-the-scenes factory here in Norway.
Here the machine that bearing. You machine the bearings, for them, and you put the crosshatch in. Lathe, which does kind of the diameter, finished diameter. And this machine kind of puts in the lubrication grooves and all that kind of stuff.
And these are the bearings we were talking about earlier that, or what did you say, good for 12,000 hours or lifetime?
Depending on maintenance.
Right, depending on maintenance. Got to use the special grease.
400 kg 4-ball grease.
Gotcha. 400 kg 4-ball grease.
Two special ovens, which we harden up the surface of the bearings to give them that lifetime. So the harden, they're pre-assembled. And then we have the pre-assembly for the rear frames.
Okay.
So everything is bolted into one unit.
Gotcha.
And delivered to our main line.
That's a hell of a bearing.
And there's no bushings, anything. It's just a small grease film across the surface as they're keeping the metal parts apart.
Keeping them from touching.
From touching.
Okay. So just a thin layer of that grease we were talking about a while ago is how these bearings last for as long as they do.
All of the weight is on an area about this big. It carries all the weight.
Yeah.
And you have to have good grease to make sure that there's no metal-to-metal contact between the two surfaces.
That's amazing.
This is our tandem assembly. Some people claim that we use chains, but that's not correct. We use gears.
Gears, okay.
Throughout the whole thing. This is what lives inside the tandem.
Okay.
So it's a section of gears transferring the power to the front and the rear axle.
Gotcha.
Yeah, no chains.
No chains.
No chains.
All gears.
All gears. The final reduction gears. And you see there's a difference between the two hubs. So we have brakes on one step, and the other one is a straight final drive.
Okay.
But you'll still have 6-wheel braking because the braking torque is transferred throughout the gears to the rear wheel.
I follow you.
Yeah.
Okay. And you guys just make the 30 and 45 here, is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't touch any buttons, Josh.
We have a pre-assembled bearing pack.
Okay. That one's ready to go.
That's where it goes. So that's for a 30, that's for a 45.
Okay. Oh, wow. This is so cool, you guys, to be able to see from the frame up how these massive trucks are put together.
So at the moment they're preparing a frame for paint. It goes to the paint area, comes back, and this is going to be assembled with the tandem that they're
working on now.
Working on the back there. So we have a drying heat, so the heat cure it.
Pre-painted and then assembled.
Yeah, that's
cool.
way better.
Yeah. So here at the Hyundai facility in Molde, they're kicking out 1 to 1.5 trucks every single day.
This is the front axle. It's been painted. It's putting all the hoses and fittings on it. It's then married to our front frame, and it installed the engine, transmission, suspension, hydraulic and electrical lines. Cooler comes as one unit, pre-assembled. Drop in the engine, transmission, align them, put all the hoses, wiring, all the hydraulics in, and rolled off to the line. So there's a rubber bushing at the back there. and it's connected to the suspension cylinder at the front. So basically, pivots up and down like this.
Okay.
And since this tube here between them, that's on bronze bushings, it allows for the two sides to move independently.
Okay. Well, independent flex.
Yeah. Or flex might be a better word for it.
Yeah.
Kind of flex.
Yeah.
So this truck has a self-leveling suspension. So it basically regulates the suspension stiffness based on load, more or less. So we have some sensors here that sense the angle of the suspension arm. And as you start to load the truck, the control unit will see that the machine is starting to compress.
Yeah.
And it will tell the MCV to put more oil into your suspension and stiffen it up.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Same thing with unloading. You'll see that the machine lightens, you'll drop it back down again.
Okay. That's amazing, man. That's so cool.
And also when going through tight corners, it'll pick up that the machine is kind of leaning and it'll start to counteract that leaning and going through corners.
Self-level itself in corners.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's not like Formula 1 car, it kind of stays flat, but it kind of helps you a little bit.
Close enough, especially when you've got 30 or 45 tons on your back. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
One heck of a transmission, ain't it? How much?
1.7 tons.
Wow, by itself.
By itself.
Man.
The neat thing about the ZF transmission is that you have the transmission and the drop box basically in one unit due to their design.
Right.
So it allows us to make the machine more compact. You can make it shorter.
Shorter truck. Okay.
Yeah. Because we don't have to have an inline transmission and then the drop box.
Right. Just kind of stacked.
Basically stacked.
Yeah.
And also we have the front differential bolted directly to the transmission. So always it's one very compact unit.
Yeah. It's really amazing that these trucks can have automatic transmissions in them. Pulling the kind of weight that they do, it still blows my mind.
So this is the time until next time they put the frame on the main line.
Oh, okay.
So it's kind of letting everybody know
Your progress.
what the progress is, and they can adjust their tempo, let's say, to match what the line is doing.
Okay. So they either speed up or slow down or what have you.
At the moment we're at 6, but it's mid-Thursday and still a Friday. So by Friday we'll make another 2 trucks.
2 trucks. To meet the goal of 8 for the week.
Yep.
Wow.
We get paid.
Good job. The Proto Workshop. We get to go in there too?
No.
Oh, come on, man.
Get something for ourselves.
I guess. So this is one giant robot that's gonna flip the bed over and manufacture the entire bed for the truck? Wow. It's working right now. I can see the reflection on the other side.
So it's welding that back. So basically the body sits on a pallet and kind of turns it always to make the arm kind of reach where it needs to be.
Look at the robot just moving, doing his thing, man, just welding. Check that out. So they got electric drive motors on here. Put this on the mobile line and they just go down through the stations, get assembled. Starts right here and they get slapped together as it goes on down, and you can kind of see them testing all the way at the end of the line. And this is how they're able to get 2 a day out of this place. And there goes the bed all painted up, ready to go on a truck. Man, I tell you what, they got it going on at this facility here. It's just like little ants running around everywhere, but everything's so well organized, and that's how they can stay so efficient.
This is developed in orange and black. We did one to the UK and British Racing Green.
That one looks cool. I like that.
Yep. We can do custom colors.
Can we get a custom Mr.DiGG one, Josh?
There you go. Let's do it. What color would you want?
Oh, I know. I changed my mind. I want flames.
There you go.
Flames on it.
Yeah.
Flame job. All right, we're getting close to the end of the line, folks. They got this one all fired up, testing the bed out, testing the hydraulics. And then also what they'll do, they'll take each truck and for 1 hour, they'll drive around the site, take it to their test course, which is where we get to go a little bit later and drive a truck. But they get them heated up, bring them up to temperature, make sure there's no leaks, and just check them out from head to toe. There's your finished product right there, folks. That one's ready to go test. It's amazing. I mean, just right down there was like just a frame and an engine and some tires, and then A couple hundred feet later, you got a truck driving off the line. Guys, this is my buddy Corey. Corey, huge thank you to you, man, for having us out here in this beautiful country, dude. It was this whole experience so far has been nothing short of impressive, man. We appreciate you guys. Appreciate Ned, which is National Equipment Dealers. You guys have been taking care of us for a good many years now, and we couldn't thank you enough. Dude.
Oh man, I've enjoyed it. We got quite a bit of trip left.
Yeah, we do. But right now we get to go drive some trucks.
We get to drive some trucks.
Let's go.
What we're gonna do.
All right, guys, we're going to jump in the 45 with Mads here and head back to the racetrack. And Mads, what's your role here at Hyundai?
I'm ADT specialist.
ADT specialist. Yeah. So this is your ballpark right here. These trucks is all you live, eat, sleep, and breathe, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only thing I do.
I got you. All right, so let's go take it for a spin.
Yep. All
right, Mads, so y'all have got your own designated course.
Yep.
Here, right?
Our own track on the back here.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to go play on now.
Yeah.
All right,
good. Spin there.
Good deal. All right, we got to blow our horn, let everybody know that we're about to move, and then we're be good to go.
Yep. The seatbelt on there?
Yep, safety first. Let's go, buddy. That factory tour was very, very cool. I appreciate that. Now, is this the truck that's going to Ned, or is it a 30-ton?
No, this is the truck that goes to Ned. So
okay.
As soon as we're done here,
yeah,
a lorry will show up and take it to the port.
Take it to the port?
Yeah.
Off to America it goes.
Off to America it goes.
Very cool. All right, let's kick this mule, Mads. Y'all probably don't use that expression up here, do you?
No. We have a similar one.
What do y'all say?
It translates to kind of give it some oats.
Give it some oats?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's got the direct translation.
I can't pay attention to the road for looking at the beautiful mountains. This one's already been through the 1 hour testing.
Yeah, so this is basically ready for shipping.
Ready to go.
So we'll probably have to clean it afterwards. But
yeah, you probably might have to wash it down a little bit. It's a little muddy out here. You guys got a lot of rock.
Oh yeah.
As you were saying, that mountain there is a lot of limestone.
Yep.
It's a good riding truck, man. They're so smooth.
Yeah, the comfort in those new trucks is
go right?
Yeah, just go right or you can go straight. You can decide. You'll end up back here anyways.
Let's go right.
Yeah, so the purpose of the track here is kind of just get stuff heated up and kind of rattle the truck around a little bit just to see.
Shake her up a little bit.
Yeah.
So what's this here?
Oh, this is a scale. They use it for R&D.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we can weigh the truck on it.
For all the prototype stuff that you won't let me look at.
Yeah.
Okay. Just want to pull up here next to him and let the next person hop in.
Yeah.
Well, Mads, I sure appreciate you, dude. That was cool. We got to drive. We're like probably the number 2 person, or I'm the number 2 person to ever have driven this truck over here in Molde, Norway. Special thanks to Mads and the whole Hyundai team here for showing us around, man. It's been an awesome experience, and we really appreciate you. Brand spanking new, guys. All right, next contestant. All right, your turn. Don't scratch it. Watch this thing lower down, you guys. It's so cool. Now he's raising it back up, so it was already lowered. With that independent suspension on it, man, check that out. It's a beast of a truck. Pretty dang neat to watch them be able to go through the assembly line, be put together, be painted, and see the whole 9 yards. And I tell you, everybody here at this factory truly cares about their job and loves where they work, and why wouldn't you? And look at this place. But seriously, impressive operation here. The efficiency and the quality control is beyond anything I've ever seen. So Lindsay, what'd you think? Did you get the need for speed on the straightaway back there?
I got the need. for going under the speed limit. I told him probably the slowest he's gone all day.
I don't know. I was watching you on the drone. You're moving along pretty good.
Yeah,
So guys, this is my new friends Lindsay and Jay, and you guys have Capcom up in near Raleigh, right?
Yes, sir.
Do a lot of site prep stuff.
That's all we do.
And you got a good many Hyundai products on your yard too, don't you?
I do probably about 30 of them.
All right, fantastic. You got a lot more than I do, man. So if you guys need any site prep work up in the Raleigh area, give these guys a call. They'll take care of you. Corey, you didn't scratch your own machine, did you? Do I need to do a visual inspection?
No, I took good care of it.
All right.
About 2 miles an hour. It's too tight for me.
Well, she's headed to the port and then to the States. Do we know where she's going to live yet?
It's, you know, we've got almost 26 branches by the end of this year. There's
Yeah.
no telling. We're
Okay.
selling, we sell, you know, mostly Hyundai and some
Right.
other products, but this one will probably end up in our yard in Douglas, I would say.
Okay, in Georgia.
Before it finds its final home.
Gotcha. Awesome. Well, I'm sure it won't take long because they're building some quality stuff right here, man. So
Or it may go to one of our new flagship stores. So we've got a flagship store in Jacksonville. We've got 2 new flagship stores in the east and west of Dallas.
yeah.
And we have another one that's opening up in Fort Myers. And
Wow.
keep a lot of Hyundai inventory at those flagship stores.
That's awesome. You guys are really growing. And matter of fact, I mean, you're probably going to take a lot of these trucks, you know, from
Yeah.
Norway that these guys are producing. I mean, a
We've
lot
got
of them are
bundle
going to go
them
through
coming.
Ned.
We certainly do. And we just have such good relationship with Hyundai.
Yeah.
They treat our customers right. They treat us right. We've got a lot of knowledgeable people about the Hyundai product.
Yeah.
Some legacy dealers that have been Hyundai dealers for 25 years
Yeah.
that became part of NED. And it makes us, I think, kind of unique when it comes to supporting an
Absolutely.
OEM product.
It does. And you know, like I've mentioned on the channel a million times, I don't care what color or what name is on the machine,
Yeah.
it's going to break down. And so that's where the support role
Yeah.
comes in. If you don't have anybody taking care of you, you know, why buy the machine?
Right.
But you know, with Ned and Hyundai, you guys have seen it on the channel. We've got a ton of Hyundais, and Ned is really taking care of us, and we sure
Yeah,
appreciate you.
You know, this trip just solidified it even for me. You know, as a dealer, it just, you know, to be able to see it coming together and everything that I've been talking about how great this truck is.
Yeah.
Seeing it in action and
Seeing
understanding that it's true
Seeing it firsthand
makes you feel a lot better. you know?
Absolutely. It's
So-
an amazing product, man. All right, well, let's go see what else we can get into.
This one makes the grooves.
Oh, the grooves for the grease?
Yeah. Makes the grease grooves and drills the mounting holes.
Okay. This is doing it right now?
Yep.
Oh, I see. Can I get closer?
Yep.
See if we can see through this window right here, but they're cutting the grooves into those huge bearings. Check that out. Which buttons can I mash? It might be done.
I think it's done.
Yeah. How many does this do a day?
Oh, many. I
A
don't
lot?
know the number, but a lot.
A lot.
Because we use 3 bearings per machine,
Oh yeah.
and each bearing is 3 parts.
Okay.
So it's 9 parts per machine, and we make, I'm guessing at least 18 a day.
18, at least 18, because you're making 2 trucks a day.
Yeah.
Wow. How about that? Fires right up. So I can't remember if I said it earlier in the video, but this is number 2 off of the line right here. Years and years ago, the Moxie D15.
That's a Clark 4-speed transmission,
Okay, Clark, 4-speed.
power shift,
Yeah.
converter driven. So you have a lever here selecting gears, and then you have one for forward and reverse, and you have one lever, big one here is your diff locks.
Gotcha.
So
This is so cool, man. What year do you know with this one?
this is 1969.
69.
Yeah.
They don't make them like they used to, do they?
Oh no. Oh, no. Still has the original engine in it. So
Yeah.
it's a Scania
Scania?
8 liter,
Okay.
250 horsepower.
250?
Yeah.
Nice.
So a beast back in the days.
Oh yeah. I love it, man. That's awesome. Thank you.
I think it has somewhere between 10 and 20,000 hours on it.
Is that right?
Yeah. There's no hour counter on it,
Right.
so we're just kind of guessing it a little bit.
Yeah.
But
Real piece of history, man. This is so cool. Awesome. Thank you.
Here, I gotta get in the picture.
Ready? Cheers.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. Do me a favor, hit the thumbs up down there. Subscribe if you hadn't already. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next adventure.